Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a review on these two items by Buenos Ninos. I was contacted by this company and I am doing a review on two of the products I got from there. Okay, so the first item I got, and this is the packaging, and I will have the link. They are on Amazon. I will have the link to their store below. It's a really long dress. It does look kind of big for me, but we'll see. It's really cute. It has ruffles on the bottom. I chose black, but they did have this in different colors. I got a size medium if I didn't say that already. I think it's really cute, like fun, flowy kind of dress for the summer. So this is the second item I got. Really fun, really cute pleated skirt. Again, I am going to try these items on so you can see what they look like. It does have a lining. It's really good because sometimes these things can be see-through, but I do like the quality of it. It does have an elastic waistband, which is great. Just pull this thing up, don't have to worry about zippers. So let's go and try these out. Because I paired this with a shirt I already had on and I just tucked it in. I do have my Converse on with this, so I'm dressing this down a bit. It's really light and like durable material. Like I said, it does have a lining in it. It's really soft, stretchy, breathable fabric, so it's cool to wear in the summer or spring. So I do like the skirt. It's really cute, and you could dress it up if you want, but right now I'm dressing it down, so I do really like this. I'm gonna go try on the dress. Okay, so for the dress, I really like this dress. Of course, hello, pockets. It's really long. It's kind of wide. It's one of those kind of flowy dresses, so I probably could have done well with a small instead of a medium, but I do really like it. Like I said, it does have ruffles. I still have it paired with my Converse, but yeah, it's really breathable, lightweight fabric, so I like it. Really good for the summer. I don't have a shirt on with it now, but you really don't need one. It's going to be hot this week here in Michigan, so yeah, I really like this dress. It's like a, you know, it could be a house dress. You could dress it up, dress it down. Like I said, I still have my Converse on with it. I really do like this dress. So check them out. They are Buenos Ninos on Amazon, and I will leave the link below for you to check them out. So let me know if you like it. Yeah.